Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and you can see your sun, moon, rising and Venus sign for this. And if you think that your sun sign is not going, so go with your moon sign, your Venus, as well as your rising sign as well. All right, so let's proceed with your reading now for my Geminis. Let's see. And this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so let's see. One last shuffle, please. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So at the end of the deck you have got the World card. Alright, so let's see, what is this an ending of something, to start something new? Because I'm seeing that there is a lot of change in your life has come up. Let's see. Okay, alright, so I'm seeing that there is something, you have taken a decision about something, you know, not exactly you have taken a decision, it's still in the process of taking something, because you have got really confused energies over here. So at the past energy you have got 2 of swords, 2 of rods and 10 of cups. You got this a lot, you get this a lot, Geminis, you know, being indecisive, you know, thinking about the possibilities, what you can do, you know, just you love to just, you know, carry yourself on 2 boats basically. So you are, I don't know why it's your energy or their energy, but it is something, it is really confused, your energy or their energy, whatever, this is really confused. And it might be regarding a family, to start a new family, or the family where you have already stepped in. Alright, so your present energies are the Tower, 7 of Cups and the Lovers. So there is a confusion in regarding with love matters, and you are confused whether to go on and be in that love mode or to end this relationship. I'm seeing your future energies are the Hangman, Temperance and the Emperor, all the 3 major arcanas, because the World is also here, so something major is going to happen. This might be something which you never have expected ever. That is what it feels like. Alright, so let's clarify. Let's see, why is the World over here? What is the World here? Why is the World here in the overall energy for Geminis? It's a lot of cards, sorry. Okay, let's see, why is the World over here? Alright, so we have, alright, so there's something you are not able to let go of, some past issues, you know, might be some past love life, because you're still in regrets in this love situation. I'm seeing that is why you are not able to accept the new love, which is which, you know, you are getting this opportunity, you have a lot in front of you, but you are not able to take it, because there is some past grief, there is some sadness, regrets. That is why you are still hanging on. There is an energy of, you know, you're just thinking, taking time to think more, because you're not coming up in a decision. There is a lot of thinking involved in your situation. Let's see, why is this 2 of Swords in your past energies? The Emperor, All right, what else do we have? Death. All right, I think that there was an ending in a situation in the past. In the past. Let's see, why is the Emperor over here? Why is the Emperor here? Why is the Emperor here? Knight of Swords and the Six of Swords. I think there was a decision made by you. It was really fast and you were very adamant in that decision. Whatever that decision is, might be you, might be them again, because you know the scenario exactly. So there was a decision, and it was made. Anyone who made that decision, it was really fast. That decision was made really fast, and this person was really adamant in that decision to leave someone and to go towards something else. See how this person is leaving with this kid and a lady over here, because when you always go towards another place, it's more like the grass is greener in that side, so that is why you go towards that. So you ended this thing and you were confused in this situation. Either you or them again, sorry. Alright, so let's see, why is this Two of Rods in your situation then? Why is this Two of Rods? Is it the same thing or something else? Why is the Two of Rods here? King of Swords and Page of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, a decision made, because this thing was looking more stable. See how this is a page. Pages are they are like children. When you have that child kind of an energy where you really want to experience new things, but this page is a very disciplined kind of a page. That is why it was a decision taken by anyone, but it is more about to explore something new. Let's enter in this direction. Whatever is going on in your life or their life, I'm not liking it. Let's enter in this new field. This is looking more greener. Let's see, what is this Ten of Cups in your past energies? Why is the Ten of Cups over here? Why is the Ten of Cups over here? So I'll take this Chariot because I saw it. Let's take all the cards. Okay. Eight of Swords, the High Priestess and the Lovers. Love was there. I am seeing over here. Love was there. Might be dealing with so this is you. Might be dealing with a Cancerian over here or a Scorpio. But it's more like you were moving on. There were plans to move on with this person, to buy a home, to buy a new car, to buy, just move on with this happy relationship. It was going really good. I'm seeing over here everything was fine, but there was a confusion. Eight of Swords, it is a feeling that you are trapped, but exactly you are not trapped. It is a hallucination. This is just an illusion. See, the ropes around this lady they're really loosely tied. This person can easily just unbind herself. She can do that, but it is more of an illusion that my eyes are closed, my hands are closed, I cannot do anything. Okay, so that is why you didn't do anything. You didn't do, or somebody was loving, everything was fine, it was perfect, but somebody just started thinking that this is not perfect. I want more perfect situation. I want it more. I want more love. I want more money. I want everything. Let's see, what is this Tower in your present energies? Why is the Tower over here? Why is the Tower here? Justice. Okay, so finally somebody took a stand, and you or them, somebody left someone finally, taking a stand. Might be a Libra you are dealing with, but it's like that somebody is ready to just balance things out, because there's more confusion coming your way, I'm seeing over here. All right, let's see what is the Seven of Cups over here. Actually, this is an energy where you are ending something for something new to come, either you or them, something, so that now someone actually realized that I have to take a stand, I have to take a decision, otherwise it will just waste my energies. Let's see this Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, Three of Cups, and Five of Pentacles. Okay, so somebody is still confused, and wants to go to something else, wants to go to this place, but keeping an eye on you as well, or you are keeping an eye on them as well. There's this confusion is between two people. I'm seeing that I really want this person in my life, but I cannot leave this person as well, but you have to deal with the situation, otherwise either you or them, someone will leave you, or you will leave them, or they will leave you at the end, because you cannot get everything, right? That is what is happening. Let's see the Lovers over here, Three of Pentacles. All right, what else do we have other than Three of Pentacles? Okay, there are many cards, so many cards. What else do we have? King of Pentacles we have over here. Sorry, Knight of Pentacles. All right, so someone wants to fix the situation. One person wants to go to both the directions, but one person wants that I really need to fix this situation, but this situation is going to be very slow. It is not actually visible. This person might be working, you might be working for this thing, that oh my god, I really love this person, I loved this person a lot, but somebody cannot do anything in this regards, but someone is trying to see how this person is trying to fix something, but this energy is slow. No matter how much love is here, but it's not actually giving any results. All right, so let's see what is the Hangman over here. Why is the Hangman energy over in the future energies? Why is the Hangman over here, please? Why is the Hangman here, please? King of Cups and Ten of Wands. All right. Yeah. So this hanging energy is going to become so, it's like, it's just from a long time, it's just a confusing energy coming up again and again, confused, in a confused state, that it will make this person so much of overload. Your brain will stop working, you will start feeling that, oh my god, what am I doing in my life? Whosoever this is, that is actually, this confusion is actually making a lot of issues in their own life, because it's mentally you start feeling sick, you start feeling that you are going into depression, you start feeling that you are getting sad, you don't want to do anything. That is the energy, because the heart is telling something else. Heart actually knows everything. It's like someone is not listening to the intuitions which are coming, because somebody knows who they love, but still do not know what to do, still do not know what action to take. Let's see this Emperor in your future energies. Why is this Emperor here? Why is this Emperor here? Two of Cups. See, this is a divine relationship, a soulmate connection. Something you really want someone in your life, and you know that. I mean, somebody knows this thing, whosoever this is. But it's like, someone is very adamant, like, I know, but I cannot do anything. That kind of energy. What else do we have? Anything else? I'll take this card. The Magician. See, someone is manifesting this relationship. Somebody has really strong feelings for someone over here. So whosoever this person is, whosoever the one who is very confused, the other person is not, and he or she really wants this connection to become, a divine relationship, a soulmate connection, that bonding. Someone is manifesting this thing with a pure heart, I'm seeing. So let's see what are the guidance messages from the universe, some kind of advice from the universe regarding my Geminis for the situation. For my Geminis, please. Ace of Swords, okay. What else do we have? I want two more cards, please. Okay. Death and Seven of Pentacles. So, universe is telling you that whatever you are sowing, it will not give you at that time only. It will take years to grow some kind of a big tree. If you really need the fruits in your life, you have to wait for that time, because patience is the key over here. And with the Death and Ace of Swords, I'm seeing that the clarity, whatever was unclear before, it is coming to an end. And that is why universe is telling you that if you're not clear about any situation, if you are not clear, so start thinking. You will get it, you will get the matter, whatever the situation is you are dealing with, you will get that thing, you will understand that thing. Just give some time. Sometimes time heals everything, actually. So that's all from my side, my Geminis. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.